Hey, good day, everybody. How you doing? Yeah, it's been a while since we posted anything on YouTube, so I just wanted to put up something and just let you guys know. Yeah, it's been kind of hectic since opening the shop up. I haven't been able to do much to the car, but I have gotten the rear window fillers, so done. And top one's welded in, so now I got to weld in this part here, got to weld in the side parts right there, so then my rear window should fit in with about a 1/8 inch gap all the way around, and so to have that flush mount look. And also working on the front, so I got pieces for the front here cut out already and everything, and so I get the front the same way. And yeah, I've been able to do a little bit. And then the front end, I ended up buying a carbon fiber, the one piece, from a guy that doesn't live too far from me. And I was just amazed that it showed up on OfferUp. So I picked it up from the guy, and it just needs cosmetic work. So I got it up there. So I'm gonna change this whole piece right here that I actually waited like 2 months to get, and I'll probably sell that, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that carbon fiber setup, and that'll simplify some things up front for me. And I did decide to push my motor back all the way, so I'm doing that, and I'm doing a couple of other things. I'm pushing my motor back about 2 more inches because I still have plenty of room back there, if you could see good enough. I know the lighting sucks in here, but yeah, so I'm planning on getting back on this. Another project we got here is this beautiful Chevelle right here that I'm going to start on this week. Just got back from SEMA and everything, and this car's been here waiting, and we were waiting for the Holley Terminator X system to come in so I can wire all that in and everything. And you see we got the dash out and all that, and we're getting ready to pull all the wiring out. Vintage Air AC being installed also, and also about an 1100 horsepower LSA motor with a Kong 2650. Yes, this is going to be a serious beast of an LS3. Bottom end has been done. Crank, rods, pistons, all the goodies in there. Humongous ass cam, everything. So yep, getting ready to wire this baby up. I got to take that crank pulley back off the harmonic balancer because I don't think they pinned it. So, you know, a couple of things, and get this car together. So we want to get this car together before the end of the year. And you know, so I got to get started on it because I'm sure we're going to run into a bunch of little things we got. And also we got this beautiful Monte Carlo SS in the shop right now. This thing is clean, all original, everything on it. And interior, original, very clean car. This is just something you can get in, reliable, driving on the daily, all that. And yeah, Thunderbird is still here. It went through so much, and it's just been so hard finding parts for this thing. And finally we had it ready to go to the interior shop, and it was sitting here and it just started pissing water. The water pump went out. So, you know, but air ride is installed, working great, front and rear. And so the owner decided, hey, while you guys have it, let's see if we can get this paint better, get the interior better, and get some of this chrome looking a lot better on it. So I said okay. And then another project we got is this Malibu right here. So gutted the inside. We're gonna replace all his interior for him and all that. Car's getting back painted the same color, so we're doing all black interior on the inside of it. And so we're just putting the interior in. A little bit of work on the rear suspension. It's not going to be a show car. This is a Uh, Daily driver, a little 350 with a cam in it. No big deal. He has another one that we're building that's in the body shop right now, getting painted, which is going to be the one with the LS3 in it and the hot cam, little head work, things like that. But this is going to be like the daily driver and something his wife can drive and enjoy also. So we're not going too wild with this one, you know. E30, yeah, still haven't done much to it. It runs, it drives, and everything. So, like I said, man, we haven't had time to get to our own cars and get our own stuff done. My project today is this beautiful GT3 right here. So, got a major service, and all of you that have been following and know me know this is what I do. Porsche, this is my thing, and been working with them over 30 years. So I'm gonna get this major service done on this one today. So got the air filter out already. Getting ready to drain the oil, change the filter, change the plugs, clean out all the drains, and do a nice inspection under the car. No oil leaks or anything. Car's pretty clean. It's barely driven. It's only got like 15,000 miles on it. And that's usually how it is with these cars. But beautiful car, fun to drive. And GT3, what else, Another thing I got going is my 850i that I really recently purchased. And just been having a lot of little problems with it, and that's how these cars are. That's how it goes. But yeah, recently thermostat went out on me, so put a new thermostat in it, flushed and bled the cooling system, and everything is running great right now, except my back brakes are squeaking. So we tried new pads, we tried cleaning the pads, cutting the pads, shaving pads, everything, they're still squeaking. So it's down to let's change the rotors on it and see if that helps. And it's just the rears, and everything's brand new back there. So don't know, but this is another car. Just did a major service on that a couple weeks ago, and sad story is the guy was driving on the way home from here when he picked the car up and got rear-ended by somebody 10 minutes after he left here. So he's back, and we're trying to get the rear bumper, the bumper support, the heat shields, and everything fixed on that. This is another Camaro we've done some work on. This guy's been having problems getting it running right, and we told him, hey, what I would do is I'd ditch all that smog, and it's got that electrically controlled carburetor. This is one of those years where Chevy was just experimenting between carburetors and fuel injection. I think you were able to get this car fuel injected or carbureted this year. And that carburetor, it's really hard to find somebody to work on it. So we had a guy that specialized in these. He came in, he checked it out, he tuned it, did what he had to do to it. We got it running pretty good. Timed it, fixed a bunch of little things, and did some maintenance on it. Car runs good, and it's fairly clean for 85 that hasn't really had anything done to it. And we had to redo the cluster, all the bulbs inside of it and everything, and everything works on the car. It's pretty cool little car. And the Maserati, this one is probably gonna end up being a total loss. Overheated, didn't even drive much after it overheated, and it blew the head gaskets on the car. And so we got intermix going on, all kind of stuff, and it's just to the point where it'll probably cost more to fix it than it's worth. So we're trying to wait and see what the customer wants to do with it, and they're not probably gonna fix it. So it is what it is. And it sucks. It's really hard to get information from Maserati on doing repairs or anything like that also. So that's another thing that's been getting us, and parts are hell of expensive. But yeah, watch out for the 850i. Like I said, this is my personal car, and another reason why I haven't been able to get back on the Camaro. but you know, I love this car. I love driving it, but I'm gonna do a lot of little stuff to it. I'm gonna change the wheels, change the brakes. I'm gonna put a lowering kit on it, or either bag it if I can get a real good deal on a bag suspension system. Yeah, no problem. I might try to do that, but I don't want to get it too unreliable. I don't want to do a bunch of stuff to it and then it's having all these little issues, because these cars already have a lot of little issues. But I did upgrade the sound system when I first got it, and you know, I like it like it is. It's cool just to drive and have fun with right now, but yeah, I would like some different wheels. I would like a better stance, and that's it. So just keep an eye out, watch the progress on the 850i. Well, actually the 850Ci. Yep. And you know, just stay around. Like, subscribe, let us know what you think. All right, take care.